car very noisy. Go through and it's roar. You know how I'm coming. You know how I'm coming. Been over, then I murder. Call gunner if you want you a Birkin. Oh baby, you be lying in your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses. I can't even lie, you ain't my type. You ain't even know they fine in person. I can guarantee.
Y'all already know what's going on. Car show, Naptown.
To you if you my kind, she got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth like what's happening. Not the big cheap tea that's embarrassing. He ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turning into a savage. This bitch got a problem in traffic. We can't do it, matching G-Wagon. Low key, I been keeping it classy. Could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last year. Just started and them niggas in last year. I ain't even tried to and I passed them. Giving looks, I contribute to fashion. Drop a song, I be giving them caps. Stand alone, not your regular rapper. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend.
Hey, this little carpet shit crazy. What's up, bro? We gon' have this shit busted out east on 33rd and Franklin at the warehouse. Next weekend, next Friday, we having a no plate Friday. Pulling up no plates. You pull up with a plate on your shit. All right, we on camera. You pull up with a plate on your shit Friday, you cannot pull up. It's going down, bro. We better turn this shit up. Real street shit on.
Can't keep a little model hands on me.
That nasty, that gushy stuff.
Over there, okay? I can't stand up over there. Shit.
From Club Cheetah, the Club Amnesia, the Venus in LA, Dublin and Dublin, can't deny me. Why would you want to? Can you leave me? Why is it so hard?
I said, see if you take it to a car.
With the pulse, feeling no remorse, feeling like my hand was false. Middle finger to the ladies that love me from the bleachers that screaming. All the brothers is bouncing, they like the way I keep winning. 52 cards went out, I'm through dealing now. 52 bars come out, now you feel them now. 52 cars roll out, remove ceiling in case 52 bars come out. Now you chillin' with a boss, baby. Cars FC on the sleeve. After 40-40 club, ESPN on the screen. I play it quick for the jeans, plus the slippers is clean. No chrome on the wheels, I'm a grown up for real. She feeling like a pimp, gon' brush your shoulders off. Ladies is pimps too, gon' brush your shoulders off. This crazy baby, don't forget that boy told you kid. Dad, turn up your shoulders.
Only do shows and made me some songs. Make sure that other shit come and get sold. We fuck with these scribbles cause we play with pose. We play with our money and not with our nose. I used to go to the west to get lows. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on some motion. She said she missed it and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my waist in motion. Can't say I miss you, I don't got emotions. I'm on that back when I slip on the flow shit. I'm on that me and the broke it Godot shit. I'm on that back when I stood at the stove shit. Ain't going broke, I'm just back on my old shit. I'm taking drugs, I don't know how to cope it. I know one thing, I'm never gonna be hopeless. If you tell them what was said, you a rodent. Drive a new Corvette like you stole it, yeah. Brand new car is noisy, come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa.